Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Team Fortress 2 or typical Colors 2 style game. First we need to start off with a base plate. Then we need to make two teams. I'm just going to name this one Blue. And set its color as blue, duplicate, rename red, and really red. Now these need to be auto-assignable false. Actually, no, true for now. Now we need to make a weapon. I am going to go into Blender and model a simple pistol.
How about a lava pistol?
So I am going to get a cube. I'm going to go on to Google pistol images, save image as pistol reference. Zero, zero, zero. 0, 0, 0, 90, and I'm going to move you back 1. Now this cube, now we'll go like this, and let's start modeling. Actually, I'm going to merge vertices at center so that I get just one. Here we go. So I'm just going to make a simple gun, shape, merge vertices at center. Okay, now I'm going to do new face. Now I have a little gun shape. Now, this looks bad in my opinion. So I am just going to extrude it. And I'm going to put the mirror modifier. That looks weird, so I'm going to switch it to Y. Now I have this little gun. Now I can start modeling it better. I'm going to use the knife tool to cut this out and then extrude it backwards. Now what I'm going to do is delete that edge and move this face this way a little and scale this down. Okay. I'm just for funny gonna do it now. Okay, let's see we have a simple thing now. But something we would want to do now is say make some little of these there. And now what I'm going to do is do this, this, and E. It's into the gun. Extrude it into the gun. Okay. Now I have a little bit more detailed of a gun. This looks nice. Now, one last thing. I'm going to add a cube. And I'm going to go to the merge vertices at center, so I have one vertice. I'm going to go to this, move it over into position. Then extrude over here, extrude, move this even a little further. Okay, and I will merge these at the center. Then, what I'm going to do is create a new face. And I'm going to go like this and extrude it. Yay! Now, make this add a modifier, mirror, Okay, now we have a little clip for our pistol. Nice, nice. Okay. We will go into object, we'll apply, and we'll apply. And now for the gun, I'm going to see what subdivision surface is not what I want. I'm going to do bevel and do that a little more. Okay. I'm going to solidify both the gun and the clip just to be sure. Oh, the clip? We're going to need to do one thing. We need to make sure that these two are both inside of each other. Okay. I'm just going to add the bevel to this. I'm going to apply this. And now I'm going to have to do what I just did again. There. Perfect. to do is smooth the gun. And then right click and shade smooth, which makes the gun look a little worse. No, yeah. And I'm going to smooth this. And shade smooth. Okay. Now, what we can do is I can delete this. Clip gun. And now export FBX pistol. I'm gonna add a new folder, rename TF2 clone or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna export this pistol as an FBX. Now in the asset manager, well, I actually have to save to roblox. You will add phone and tablet later. So let's save. One second. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to meshes and then click this. Go to our TF2 clone folder or whatever it is called. Apply all. Okay. This is the gun. Okay. Now I'm gonna resize this down quite. You know what? I need an R6 dummy or something. I'm just going to insert my Roblox character. This gun needs to be not this big, and instead something there can be in my hand. Okay. I'm going to set this to metal. Okay. And then this. Not marble. Metal. Now weld the clip to the gun. I'm going to group these as model, as gun or pistol. Now, you know what? I'm gonna pause again. Okay, now let's see. We have our funny pistol mesh. Now let's make an actual character. I'm gonna open the toolbox, put it on my side. R15. We're gonna do R15 this time. So 0, 0, 0. Here we go. So let's rename this guy to Scout. I'm just gonna use this for the hat. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna use 3D No. Okay. I can't decide what to do for my shirt, so I'm just gonna pause while. Okay, so I got this shirt. Now I'm going to switch all of this to pastel brown smooth plastic. The reason the shirt is white is we're gonna change it in the script. So I'm going to get this guy here, group as folder, rename classes. Now let's configure the scout's humanoid. Let's make him have 85 health and have a walk speed of 24. Now let's make another folder, rename weapons. Add a folder inside of that, rename pistol. Rename model. Okay. I will add yet another folder. Animations. I'm going to group this as a folder yet again. Rename Scout. So in the weapons folder, we'll keep a folder for each and every single class in the game and all of their weapons. And then we're going to have the weapon folder, and then its animations and its model. So let's also make a string value, rename description. I'm just gonna name this a pistol. I'm just gonna set the value to a pistol. Now let's make it so we can animate this pistol. In the scout, we will add a part. Rename this to weapon. Set this as size to 111. No, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Now, let's weld the let's weld the weapon to the lower torso, or the part that moves with your character, so that it's the root part, basically. So the transparency to 1, and move this directly in front of your character a little. Now, here's how we are going to animate this. Let's see, where is our pistol? Duplicate and drag it into your scout. Rename pistol. And now, what we're gonna do is this gun's, so the weapons C-frame is gonna be the gun's C-frame. Okay, now I'm actually going to duplicate this and put it back in the folder because I put it together better. Okay, now you can load up Moon Animator or whatever you use for animating and animate. So I will pause this while I animate. Okay, so I've finished animating. Here are what my animations look like. I have walk. This is my first time animating R15, so please don't mind if it looks bad. Then there's the attack. Plus, I'm not really an animator. So, now, what we need to do is delete our pistol model. And when you're animating, you require to weld the weapon to the weapon part that you created in the class model. Okay, let's start scripting. In server script service, I'm gonna create a new script. Rename class main. In replicated storage, I'm gonna create a new folder. Rename event, and I'm going to create a remote event and rename it change class. Now, here in this, what I'm gonna do is game.storage.events.changeclass.enter event connect function player, class name. Now this will have the player object as the player and the class name as class name. We want the class name so that we can identify which class the player wants to play as. So let's start scripting for now. So local class exists equals game.replicastorage.classes find first child class name. Actually, no, let's do class model. So if class model, then class model equals class model clone. Okay, now we have a clone of the thing. So now we need to set it as the player's character. So, let's see. What team is the player? So, local player team equals player.team. So, now, class model dot, then I'm going to go here and look, so it's named shirt. Shirt dot color equals player team dot team color dot color, which is color 3. As I think the shirt dot color is a color 3. So now, what we need to do is set the, we need to set the character. So, local old char equals player dot character. So now we need to do old char destroy class model dot parent equals workspace class model dot primary part dot c frame equals, we're going to create a new folder, rename team spawns workspace dot team spawns find first child player team dot name dot c frame. So well, now one thing left to do. Player dot character equals class model. Okay. Now, local weapon equals pistol. As that is, well, our only weapon. So, next, let's do something real quick. And let's do this. What we're going to do is local weapon model equals game.storage.weapons find first child, let's just say scout for now, find first child weapon, and then we're going to change this over here to class name dot model okay, weapon model dot parent equals class model local world equals instance dot new world constraint comma weapon model world dot per 0 equals weapon model dot base. Now I'm going to go back to our pistol model, rename the gun to base, and world dot part 1 equals class model dot weapon. Okay. Now let's see. We can create a GUI and yeah, let's create a GUI rename switch frame. I'm just gonna have a text button that says scout on it. I'm gonna have a local script that is script.parent.rundown connect function. And game.storage.events.change class fire server scout. Okay, rename scout. And one last thing. In our class main, we're going to do player.playerGUI.switchFrame.enabled equals false. Just to make sure that we aren't able to switch again. Now let's bring out the output. and try her out. Color is not a valid number. Okay. Let's see what is. Oh, it's color 3, isn't it? Script up and color 3. Okay. Color 3. Okay. Now, let's see. Scout. Let me see, what is my character? Class main. Oh, right. We need to set the spawn location. Also, I forgot to delete the script in the shirt. Anyway, we're gonna create a we're gonna create in our class. We're gonna create a local script. Set cam and game.players.localplayer. So workspace.camera subject equals script.parent.humanoid. I'll save to roblox. Okay, now I'm gonna add a part name blue. And duplicate it, move it over here, rename red. Now I'm gonna move this one further away, on the other side of the actual spawn location. I hate that Roblox bug where it just doesn't show my screen. Now I set this as Scout. Now I can move around to Scout. But my camera is not being set. I'm just going to put this in the player and modify it a bit. So for icon, so game get service run service dot render steps connect function if game.players.localplayer.character then I'm gonna set this as that, save to Roblox, and publish. So now what we can do is we can change our class and we will spawn as our little scout. Now let's see. We are faster than other players. Plus this, well, we haven't added our animations yet. So I'm going to go to my scout guy, anim saves, save to Roblox as scout_pistol. pistol underscore attack. Save to Roblox. Okay. Now, if we go to our toolbox, creations, animations, we can go to our weapons, scout pistol, add a animation. Let's see. Where's the animation object? Okay. Name walk. Copy the asset ID and paste it in. Copy the asset ID of the attack, duplicate the walk, rename attack. Now it's important that for the attack, you make it so that the legs do not have any keyframes. So it will still play the leg movement if you attack while moving, or it should. So, let's see if it works. Wait, I'm gonna make the attack a higher priority. Then I can do save to Roblox, overwrite existing asset. Sorry, it bugged out. Save to Roblox, overwrite an existing asset attack. Okay, so now that'll be, actually let me check how much. Oh yeah, that'll be it for this video, everyone. See ya.